Today I want to share with you some of my favorite designs of Sleepy Sheep Crochet Designer. Let's take a look. Amphibi Crochet. Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about designs from a crochet designer called Sleepy Sheep Patterns, and she designs cute animals and cute doll patterns. So let's take a look at what some of the designs that she made. This little bear family is adorable. It's not very difficult to make, and I love the little accessories for the boys and the girls. Here are little elves all ready for Christmas. We just finished Christmas in July. If you want to check that out, check out the link. Little bells on their feet, the cute little skirt for the girl elf, and a sweet little bow tie for the boy elf. And I like the way this hair is made. Little bunny girl, very cute. Here's a little unicorn girl, gorgeous blue hair and a gorgeous pink dress. Here's a cat girl with cat ears. I love this hair. It's very nice, and she has a removable hat, and so she's dressed in Halloween colors, fall colors, so you can use her as a Halloween witch as well. How cool are these boots though? A little family of reindeer. I love the little snow boots they have on. How cute is that? Little Yeti. That's always, he's a happy, smiley fellow, isn't he? And we have the fox family, again with the cool snow boots and lovely hairbands with flowers for the girls. And very cool scarves for the boys. And we have a scarecrow. She's not very good in scaring crows because look who her best friend is sitting on her hat. But she is a very cool little doll. Also very suitable for fall and Thanksgiving type scenes. This designer has designed a lot more, but these are some of my favorites, so check out the link. I hope to see you again soon, and I wish you happy crocheting.